started at 2 a.m. and they'd get off around noon. So right around this time, they can be coming enjoying the desert sun of the Vegas weather. It's so wonderful. They can go swimming with their family or something. But because you won't admit you made a mistake, now they're having to risk their lives working in 120-degree weather for you. Why won't you just admit you made a mistake, tell everybody in the company slightly late, and let's move on. Let's not have anybody else die. Not now. If they do, I've warned you. So now if they do, this is on you.
We care a lot about the gamblers and the pushers and the geeks. We care a lot about the crack and smack and whack that hits the street. We care a lot about the welfare of all the boys and girls. We care a lot about you people, 'cause we're out to save the world. It's a dirty job.
It is getting really hot right now. It is, I don't know what the temperature is, but this time of year it gets up to 120 degrees. We can only be out here when we're in the pool. We can only sit in a chair for a couple minutes, it's that hot. And they're gonna have these guys working because they're behind. They're behind, and no one will admit it. And by not admitting it, you can't fix the problem. You can't find a resolution if you don't tell anyone there's a problem. So, for over a month now, we still haven't found a resolution. If they had, why is there still a crane attached to the truss that is supposedly fixed? Those cranes are expensive. You don't want to leave a crane attached to a truss for no reason. That means they haven't found a resolution, you guys. That means there's big issues. That means the workers are going to take the brunt of the impact because they're going to have to work in 120-degree weather. It's not right. Just admit you're late. Delay it. Get more people there. Do whatever you have to do, but stop lying because you're late and you still don't even know how to fix the problems because there's still a crane attached to the truss that we've been talking about this whole time, and that one is still not fixed. And no one would admit they're late. And the crew is the ones that could potentially die when they are working in 120-degree weather or even just under pressure because their bosses won't admit to the public that they're late. Why? Who cares if you're late? Is it better for someone to die than to admit you're late? Ask yourselves that. Is it better for one of the workers to die than to admit you're late? Who gives a fuck if you're late except for maybe some money? Is that why we're not admitting? Because someone has to pay some money? Of course that's why we're not admitting, because someone has to pay money. So let's just risk the workers' lives because someone doesn't want to pay some extra money and admit they were wrong or made a mistake like all fucking humans do once in a while. Things go wrong because we are not in control of the force. We, the force, we have to work with. But the force flows, and when you keep going against it, things are gonna happen time and time again. This is the first time we've come at you guys and you acted like you weren't late because there was a once in a 10-year snowstorm that you guys, I guess, had anticipated for. Good on you! Once in 10 years and you guys knew it was coming this year? Or last year, whenever that was now? What was it, 2018 now? I can't even keep track. But remember that one where for like 5 days you couldn't really work because of the snow in Las Vegas? But we were told everyone anticipated for that one. Yeah, just like they're anticipating for the fact they don't know why they can't lift any more trusses because the trusses don't work. Because you messed up, which is fine. People can take mistakes, but they can't keep taking lies and lies and lies that can result in death. That's all I gotta say today. And I'm gonna swim in the pool because this is the thing, you guys. All those guys should be swimming in the pool right now. They were supposed to have night shift. They were supposed to switch because it's hot. But instead, because they're late, they have to work all 3 shifts. So when they were going to maybe give those guys a break and not have to work in 120-degree weather, Their lateness and their lack of wanting to let anyone know is making them have to work 3 solid shifts in potentially 120-degree weather. That's how hot it gets here. You might say it's not that hot right now, but it's hot enough. It's 100-something today. And I tell you what, you try to do something today, try to go out and work on the roof of a stadium when the trusses aren't even fixed. It's so hot out here, not even the iPhone's working this weather. This phone is barely working to even. And you're trying to figure out because your bosses are hounding you, I'm sure. The stress there is beyond belief. Which, you know what stress causes? Accidents. You know what accidents causes? Your little 0 mishap sign to go away. So let's stop lying. Let's admit we're wrong so no one else gets hurt.